from Triforce Cubing, and today we have an unboxing from SpeedCubeShop. So this is my second time ordering from SpeedCubeShop. The first time was a couple weeks ago where I got this Cosmic Volt M. I didn't do an unboxing on it because I didn't know how to solve square one, but now I do. So yeah, in here we should have the Cosmic Wushuang M, which I've been wanting since this Wushuang. I don't know, I just don't like it, so setup will probably help, and the magnetizing. And I want to get into more events also, so that should help. Here is this. Congratulations for buying this. Okay. Your Cosmic Cube might be stiff out of the box. Ooh, I got a card. Last time I didn't get a card. Okay. Cosmic Cube was made by someone. Can't read that. And here's like the 700-page receipt. This is weird. It said I got it full fitted. I got stickerless but full fitted. And another Cosmic stand. Yay. Put that over there. Here's the actual cube. And it should also have 3 cubic centimeters of lunar. Because I ordered some amount to get that. It should be in here. Otherwise, I'm gonna. Where is it? SpeedCubeShop. Why? Well, then I'm gonna have to email them then. Unless nope, nothing in here. Well, that's kind of annoying. And let's try to get this wrap open. It's like impossible. How do they wrap it like that? Sorry for the glare, but look at that. Oh, here, found the opening, I think. Help. Do I have anything sharp? Ooh, pencil. Okay, please. Okay, that should have. Okay, now this side then. That's gonna break the pencil. Okay. Is there really? Okay, I have 2 questions. How and why? Okay, pencil just broke. Yes, I got it open. And I broke my pencil. Get this plastic wrap out. Ugh. Ooh, feel lube. Anyways, here, I can see the cube better. Let's get into first turns. I'll just do like a 3x3 solve on this. The magnets are really nice. They feel good. The inner layers are like, I don't know. Can't feel the magnets that well. And they're like, they have a sandy feeling. So here, let me do this 3x3 solve. It was pretty gummy, but after like 50 salts, it should be better. And yeah. Yeah, 27 seconds. That's twice my average. Yeah, here, I can already feel it faster, and me getting faster. Really bit spreading around. And then there's a nice cosmic logo on it. Okay. Feels much better than this. What lube? I wonder what lubes they use. Yeah, that feels so much better. Anyways, so yeah, that'll wrap this video up, and I'll see you guys next time.